Okay.
Hey, there we are. Hey folks. Okay, we got our package. Just got back with it. I've been spraying them with sugar water. Right now I'm going to attempt to get the queen out. What I have here is what everybody's going to scream at me about. You don't need 2 deep boxes for a package. That's not what I'm doing. What I have down here, I showed in my last video, is a bunch of frames for the bees with all the resources from my last hive. And this top one here I just use as like an area to shake the bees into, because I've done it other ways and it shakes them out and they spread everywhere and I don't like it. This keeps them contained. I can leave the box in there, come back in a day or two, take the box out, check my queen, and everything was fine. That's the way I did it last year. That's probably the way I'll do it again this year. I like doing that. So no, I'm not leaving 2 deep boxes on here. Just that one with the new bees down here, you know, if you can see them or not. So I'm gonna work on getting the queen out and we'll go from there. You can stop. They don't need to see me. Okay, we're back. What I did, I took all the staples out. I'm gonna knock these bees down real quick. Doesn't hurt them, just a little vigorous bump, so they all fall down so I can get this can out. Hopefully it goes smoothly. Sometimes it's a little difficult to get your can out, and the strap is what's holding your queen. So that's what I was worried about. Can I get the can out? No, stay in there. In your new hive. Okay, so, oh, they got some workers in there with her. They got some workers in there with her this year. That's different. There's a cork end of this here and a cork end in here. I'm going to take this cork end out because there's a candy separating them, and then I'm going to put this in the hive below. I already threw a couple bees in there and they're already investigating. They're ready to go. So let me get this. They really stapled it in there. There we go. There's a couple of bees running around out here, but they'll find their way into their new home. So I'm going to use my little pick tool I thought in here. Or I'll just use my knife to get it out. Either way, it's going to be coming out. Not very gracefully. There it goes. So now you can see the little candy board in there. And I'm going to leave this facing sideways because the only way you can put it in there in this cage is that way. But the bees will get used to her. Tight fit, that's all. There we go. This is going to hang in between the hives down in here. I can show you that quickly. I hope it does, because okay, so there's your queen. I think she'll fit down in here. Might have to take the drone. All right. I don't think it's going to fit. No. All right, we got an extra frame, I guess. Oh, I know I can do. Take one of these out. Not the good ones. Take the bad ones out. That's better. I had too many frames in there. I remember last year I put them in there and they actually started making comb over top of everything. I was like, oh, I gotta get them out of there. So that's all set. You got a little drone right there. So, and this here is wondering why his friends aren't out here. And we're gonna add his friends right now. He probably will work one day. Okay. Oh, I should probably put my veil on, just in case. I don't think they're going to bother me, but I don't want bees going up my nose just from flying around. I think they'll probably just go right in there, and I'll close the lid up, and they'll be fine. I already got a couple bees that are inside the hive right now, so. They don't want to come out of there, some of them. Which is why I do this. You want to back up if you want to. You can.
It's okay.
I don't think it's going to hurt you, but you'll probably start to see them come at the bottom and start fanning. Okay. See, they're landing on me. They're not bothering me at all. See, look, get in there close on that, will you please? What they're doing there is they're fanning to let everyone know that, hey, we found a home. This is where we want to stay. The noise coming out of here is amazing to me. They're not aggressive at all. I'm not getting stung. They're pulling on my hand. No one's bothering me. They're looking for a new home. So what I'll do, give them a minute to settle in. I was going to leave that box in there like I did last year, but I'm not sure I need to. More bees. So I'm going to probably take this lid off. I might leave it on there because they're all over the lid, but I'll come back in a day or two, check on that queen. She should be out of there, out of that little cage. I'm not sure you can hear that gunfire in the background, but you get when you live in the woods. And they should be established. They should start working on this honey that's in there. They have all the resources they need right now to get going. So I'll have to keep an eye on them pretty closely to make sure they are not outgrowing their space very quickly. So I'm going to close them up. We're going to call it done. And happy home to our new bees. Talk to y'all later. Bye. Sorry. Come on now, I'm trying to close this up. You guys are all climbing up here and everything else. Hey, yeah. Come on. Yeah, yeah. Ladies, you make it difficult. Why are you up there? Go. Yes. Thank you. Yeah, it's so muddy up here. God. I think we're set. Make sure that, yeah, they're blowing pheromones. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's what I wanted to see.